Hey everyone, I am King number 10 Matt and we're at SM Puerto Princesa, Palawan. We're having our hair and makeup tutorial with our mentors Kuya Von, Nai MJ, and Kuya Hernan. First step guys, we'll clean our face. Second step guys is moisturizer. Third step guys is foundation. So fourth step guys is concealer. So fifth step guys is press on. Sixth step guys is contour. Seventh step guys is mascara. Eighth step guys is eyeshadow. Ninth step is mascara. Step is lifting. Last step is spray. Here guys, so we'll use the gel. So guys, this is my final looks, and please don't forget to follow the page of Fashionista King and Queen para masubaybayan niyo po yung journey. And that's all. Thank you.